Oh, hello? Okay, hello. Today I decided we could do something else. And, I don't really want to be gaming today, so let's do some cooking. I'm gonna make an omelette, because, yeah, I can. And, yeah. Hold on. Let me just grab my stuff. I didn't get ready beforehand. So just give me a second. Okay, now we're good. Right, now we can get going. Alright, so, let's start by, oh, it's not focused, hold on. Alright, okay, so first we're gonna, obviously crack our eggs in the bowl. I don't like to crack it on the side because, I'm very wary about getting eggshell in there, and I think I just did. Oh well, okay, I'll get it out later, it's fine. I've got 2 eggs. Just put this in the bin in a second. 2 eggs, right? Oh. There you go. Just put those in the bin quickly. Then we can keep going, okay? Alright. So, now I'm just going to quickly look through this. There's a little bit of eggshell in there. Hold on, let me try and get that out. Get that out with my hands. Whatever, it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. In there. I don't think I can do anything to you. I'm just gonna whisk these eggs up with it. Alright, that should be fine for now. Alright, now let's add some cheese in this. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna add some cheese in there. Alright. Got some cheese here. Just got some of that in there. Oh yeah. I'm not that good at cooking, so this is probably gonna go completely terribly wrong. That should be fine, I think. I'm not even looking. Okay, that should be fine. I hope. Okay, let me just put this cheese on here. Alright. Alright, so what can we add next? So I think I'll put some pepper or something in there. I'll give it a little bit of flavour and stuff. I'll probably add some more later anyway as well. Should be fine for now. Just mix that together. I probably should have used a smaller thing for the last container to put this in. Because it's really big for what I need. Well, that's pretty much the whole thing finished in terms of cooking. Now we just gotta fry it up on the stove. Alright, hold on. Okay, so let me just put this to one side and then move you over a bit so you can see closer. Okay, here you go. Right, so I'm just going to turn on the stove now. I don't even know if you can see or not. Okay, you can. Did I put the right one on? Oh. There you go. Just put it on like a medium heat and then put this over here. And then where's my butter? There it is. Okay. I'm going to add some butter onto it so that it doesn't stick when I put stuff into it. There we go. That should be fine. Keep that to the side and then while that's melting, I'm going to put this in my fridge so this will melt. Alright, there you go. Now I'll just move this around a bit so you can get a nice even covering of butter on the bottom. Okay, that should be good. Alright. I'll just let that melt on the pan a bit. While I turn up the heat to melt relatively faster. I don't even know what I'm saying, it's making sense. Alright, now that it's evenly melted, I'll grab my mixture that we made earlier, the eggs and stuff, and we can just pour that in on top of here, like so. And then just let it cook in there for about 5 minutes or so. I don't know how much it'll take. Yeah, okay. That looks good. I don't know if I mixed it up. Oh well, it should be fine. Just go like this a bit. And then I'm just going to turn the heat up again. Just to get it cooking. And then, yeah, just wait for it to cook a bit. Might put some more pepper on it, it doesn't look like there's enough. Alright, there you go. Oh, it's starting to cook. You can hear it. You can hear it cooking now. So I'm just gonna see how this is cooking. Okay. So all you're gonna want to do is you're just gonna want to like pull the sides away and put some of the liquid stuff down there so it can get covered like this. Also, that's really hot. I'm gonna turn the heat down a bit. I don't want to burn myself on this. You can hear that. There, you can hear that cooking now. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright. Okay. This is going well so far. I haven't messed up yet. Alright. Okay, now we're just gonna let this sit for a bit, and then we can. Yeah, we can just let it cook for a little bit longer. Oh, there's still some stuff in there. Oh well, it should be fine. That's enough for me anyway. I'm gonna look for some ketchup or something I can put on this. That's what I feel like doing. There you go. This should be fine, I think. Nah, actually, I'll put that on after it's finished cooking. Alright, now that it's pretty well cooked, I'm gonna quickly put my fork under it. I'll try and break it, but just like try and fold it over a bit in the middle. Kind of broke it a little bit. Oh well, that's fine. Just try and fold it over a bit. And just cook it, press it down a bit, and then try and break off the side so we can move it. I'm also going to turn the heat down a bit further as well. It's almost finished actually. Oh, just burnt myself. Just gonna keep doing that. That looks like it's almost finished actually. I'll turn the heat down really low now. Well, yeah, it's like as low as it'll go. Actually, I could probably turn the heat off now. And I can just grab myself a plate and just let that keep going. I should be fine. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to do this actually. Hold on. Let me move you back a bit. We should be fine here. Okay. Just pull this off before. Okay, I'm going to move this over now. And then I'm going to get out. Let's just go like that. That actually worked. Alright, there you go. That's actually not that bad of an omelette, I'll tell you that. Use that there to cool a bit. Also, I'm going to use that for to eat. Okay, I'll put that there. Now I'm just going to grab a little bit of ketchup or whatever. Hold on, this is it. Okay, you got that. That should be it. Just put a little bit on there like that. That should be fine. I'll do a cross or something. That should be fine. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty good cooking. I'm not good at cooking. Okay, there you go. Finished. I can eat this as my lunch. Thank you for watching. I don't know why I did this. I just kind of got bored and I was gonna cook anyway, so I might as well make a video about it. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna eat this now. I'll see you later, whatever. Okay, bye.